Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create 3D surface chart in Excel 2024. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am select data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Now I am go to the all chart option. Now find the surface chart and we select the 3D surface and click OK. Now we can see we create a 3D surface chart. You can change anything of this chart. At first we change the title. Click inside the text box and change the title. Now I am select the chart and go to the chart design menu. Click the style drop down menu. We can see here many style. Now I am select this. You can change the color. Click the color drop down menu and change the color. Otherwise you can change the layout or added or remove another layout. You can add anything like axis title, chart title, grid line or legend, etc. You can add anything. Now we can see we make a 3D surface chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.